Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw an old man's face using an iPad and the program Procreate. This video is sponsored by Appeals. For the background we choose a gray, slightly bluish to make it a cool gray. I will draw with a hard blend brush, which is in the airbrushing menu, and we choose a dark brown. We sketch a circle for the head, make a guideline through the center for the eyebrows, and then mark the end of the nose and the chin on equal thirds like in the Loomis method. We will draw the eyes over here. By the way, the size of the canvas I selected was screen size. Now we will draw the basic shades of the face, like I would do if I were sketching with real oil paints. Now that we have the basics worked out, we can make a new layer to draw the features much better, much more in detail. Let's draw the eyes. And we can even add some wrinkles. Now that we have the layout, we open up the layers and deselect the first one we made with the rough sketch. We can flip this horizontally to check out any mistakes and we go back to the normal. The layer that I deselected was the one with the original circle, guiding lines and all of that. Then we shade it roughly. After doing this basic shading, we will add the color. I want to first put in some highlights, which in this case will be yellowish. Then we mix a skin color, which will be a bit orange, with different tonalities. And the purple for the shadows. By the way, I have a message for you from our friends of Appeals. They have a gift given away at appeals.com. 20 winners will receive an Appeals gift certificate for $25. All you have to do is enter your email to win. That's it, no purchase necessary. Winners are randomly chosen. It's running now and ends December 15th, 2021. Go to appeals.com now and enter to win. The link is below. Good luck. Our old man has a white hair and beard, but obviously because of the shading, we do not paint it white, but we use a range of grays. I want this image to look painterly. That is why I'm using different colors on the skin and also I'm leaving some brush marks. I am continuously changing the tonality, as you can see. Let's add more light to all the right of the face. Our right, his left, in order to create more volume and so that the shapes are described better. I want to invite you to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at ArtistLeonardo. I am secretly working on a new exciting project and Instagram and Twitter are the first places where I will be releasing news and images of it. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoy the digital drawings and what would you like me to draw. And if you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code a white, wise beard. And it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to visit appeals.com for the giveaway with the link below, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.